this is the non-gurued version of how to make 60 bags in 60 days. So 60 grand. This is a cosmetics example. This particular model is very much similar for any service business. You just switch through like the lead magnets and you build the landing pages a little bit differently. And for example, let's use detailing as an example. In detailing, we're probably not going to be doing a video consult funnel. We're sending people to a inquiry form funnel. So we're just switching out a few of the variables in here, but most of this stuff's pretty much the same, and you can plug and play the system in and it will work. So yeah, 60K to 60 days, proof because people on the internet full of shit. Again, not the fucking biggest numbers in the world, but for me, each time I do this, it's like a fucking learning process, and I'm getting better and better every time. So I think it's cool to like share what I know. And anyway, the one org to now, so 59 bags, 983, just so we're not lying. Refresh the page. 99K, 1st August. Cool. How that works is we buy ads for $10 a lead. I tested, there was like fucking 40 ad group sets in here before. I have deleted them the other day. Fundamentally, I'm just running lead form ads to multiple lead form ads. This is a new ad. I've had some issues with Facebook, so you won't see the ads here. But yeah, multiple different variations, testing which ones work, finding out which audiences work best and respond best. And yeah, lead form ads. So buying ads, and then from here we buy leads. $10 a lead. It's 289 opportunities. Admittedly, so the auto nurture for how this is splitting off its automations isn't set up properly, and this business needs to get remodeled like this. So this is what I basically sat down yesterday and rethought through, because right now, after looking at the business for 2 months, because I just wanted to create some flow through paid ads, I see all the flaws and I see how we can improve essentially this system and turn it into something that's going to be a fucking actual this is going to be stupid. The next V2 system is retarded, which is this. So cut straight to the point. Paid ads, so you can do other traffic sources as well. We're going lead magnets. So 3 lead magnets that solve essentially ChatGPT. What are the top concerns that people ask in my industry, right? In cosmetics. And then from that 80-20 principle down, the top main concerns into your top 3, right? We'll do it. Now turn this 3 into lead magnets using, Russell Brunson frameworks, for example. Come up with some lead magnets, make them valuable, make them awesome. A lead magnet simply answers an objection or a set of objections and then provides value. And then essentially you provide a call to action. So this is one of the lead magnets. We're essentially just delivering value and then breaking down. I know from fact, because I record all of the webinars, I can pump all the transcripts into ChatGPT, and I can essentially from data know exactly what questions people are asking and how to address that in a guide like this. And then obviously prompting them to do the one action in our business that turns into money, which is a consultation. In other service businesses, it's generally an inquiry. Plumbing, HVAC, all that shit, inquiry form. That's all you're doing. The only difference here is just a video consult. Video consults are harder than inquiry form, so you can get away with an inquiry form. Fucking oath. Run that model. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. This is my story. I started my first business at 13. Let me just jump into it here. 13, moved out at 14. That's me working. Got on the news because they were like, that's cool, blah, blah, blah. Another business, 70K business a month at 17. That was like hectic money. Tasty, scaled to Tasty. Did no ad spend on Tasty. And then we were pumping, 150 bags a year, which is cool. But then you look at something now, which is like, for example, what I know now, 60K in 60 days. It's retarded from 0. This was with Tasty was with fucking, what's the word? Yeah, that was after 2 years. So it goes to show, just learn something every day. How to do it? Lead magnets solve the person's problem, right? You turn their problem into a solution for free. They then get directed to a consult funnel, which is, in this case, which is a sales page directing them to book. Just put heaps of testimonials there. Then from there, if they don't book, we do something next. If they do book, congratulations, send that conversion data to Facebook or whichever media buying platform you're using. And then essentially, whichever platform, in this case, we're using Square, you want to update the deal value field with webhooks to make sure that our CRM is synced with our payment processing systems. And then from there, if they didn't book a consult, obviously we want to keep them in the ecosystem. Didn't book, we're sending them value emails, right? And then these value emails, my mouse is fucked. These value emails are getting sorted based on an open rate. So if they don't open 2 consecutive emails from you, they get binned, right? However, if they click or open it, they continue down the flow. And all we're trying to do is just ping them back to this page. Make sense? So provide value, ping them back to this page. So easy. Just pump cash, right? And I'll make another video when this system's implemented, right? And it'll print cash. Watch this shit. Video consult, I showed you that before. So did they book? Yes or no? If they did book, fucking ping them these 2 things. A welcome email, welcome WhatsApp, create the touch point straight away. Send these two out, wait, and then we're sending value. We're building excitement, and then value plus get a case study. Fucking, I want to increase show rate here. I want to make the person, because at the moment they're cold traffic, I want to build up that excitement so they actually like rock up to the fucking consultation. They don't waste their owner's time. And then obviously just standard shit, 1 hour, 5 minutes consult starting emails. Okay, and then from there, did they show? No show flow, right? I'll build that out. Showed but didn't book, right? We want to get them back into a flow where they fucking book this page. That's it. Where are we? They showed and then they booked in, which is good. And then in order to increase the show rates to the in-person appointments, right? Because some people are like, oh yeah, in business, oh, my dog got sick, I have to go to hospital, blah, blah, I have to cancel today. So to increase that stuff and stop that shit happening, I want to increase excitement if they did book in and they made it to this process, sending them value emails, getting them excited, and then obviously adding that along with your standard automated square 24-hour reminder shit. So just fucking, yeah. And then I said continue indefinitely with a 2-day wait step until the appointment day. That's the system. So easy. Sorry, I'm not very good at explaining shit. I don't think I am. But that's the flow. That's the system. If you want to learn more, I suggest you click my trainings below because they're all free and they're all designed to be hyper valuable. So you're like, I trust this cunt. He's good. Their numbers, see, it fucking works. It works. If you have any questions, let me know. Put them down below and fucking, yeah, I hope it helps. Thank you very much. Cheers.